Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Joy of Living. Today's video is on Hyderabad NUMAISH, also known as Nampally Exhibition. I visited this exhibition 2 days ago and bought a few items which I would share with you along with the prices. So quick request for those who are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and share. So let's begin. The first thing that I bought is this beautiful nursery print bed sheets for kids room. These are really bright and cheerful and each costed me ₹100. The fabric is really good quality cotton. It is not the one that is like thin and shrinks in one wash. This is not the first time I have bought such bed sheets. I have bought earlier also and trust me, they are of really good quality. These are in bright Hello Kitty prints. The next one is in bright in cheerful yellow and pink. It has some like really beautiful teddy bear and rabbit design in it. So the next is this Angry Birds blanket that I bought for kids. It's a double bed blanket, soft and plushy and goes well with the kids' bedroom theme as they have Angry Birds bed sheets and curtains. This is how it looks when opened. Next are these unique square shaped saucers and cups that I bought for ₹450. The crockery stall from where I had bought had huge range of dinnerware, cookware and serveware, some quirky looking salt and pepper dispensers, etc. This set of 6 cup and saucer set is in royal blue. And I bought this small basket for ₹50. I found this cute, so I bought one. Next I bought this cute salt and pepper shaker from the same stall. It is in the shape of a duck and it's really cute. So one can keep cutlery too here. So it's kind of a decorative piece for dining table. This is the cutlery holder. I also bought these chicken curry kurtis in cotton in bright colors for 500 each. They have huge range and one can find numerous stalls of chicken curry kurtis and saris. These are really great for daily wear. Also the fabric is like really super soft cotton. It's not like the cheap thin quality cotton fabric. These are really must have for the summers. I also bought this Ari work kurti in pure cotton. It has this embroidery in slit and the lower area. This is the neck. It has like really beautiful nice embroidery in royal blue, and this is the arm area. In fact, the back also has like really rich embroidery near the neckline. The fabric is really superior quality cotton. Next, I bought these two kurtis, embellished ones in georgette. It has this stole or the dupatta. This is how it looks when opened. It is in like white with the aquamarine blue or green embroidery work. The sleeves also have this beautiful embroidery work done, and it has like small floral booties in between. The back also has this small paisley done. This is the dupatta or the stole. It has this embroidery work done on both the ends, and it has this small beautiful floral embroidery done with the embellishments here and there, like really graceful and beautiful piece. This is the second kurti in sunshine yellow. It also has this beautiful embellishments. It has this paisley and a floral handwork done in it, like really sparky one with a lot of class. The hands also have like really good embroidery done. You can see this foliate motifs in it. The back also has like embroidery done like in places. This is dupatta or the stole. It has this foliate embroidery done all over, and it has like really good embroidery done in the ends. Now I bought a couple of footwears for myself. The price range is between 350 to 500. This one is like, it has like this pearl embellishment and has elastic at the back. I love flat ones, so like this was like really great. This one is in red with cutwork juti. And third one is like really beautiful, all pearl work, really classy and graceful. Look great with any kind of ethnic wear. It has this elastic for extra support. I bought these wrought iron candle stands for rupees 20 each. I bought it from a street seller. There was a guy who was selling these near the parking area. He had different designs, so I picked these two. This was a small Nampally Exhibition Haul video. Hope you have liked this. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.